start moving up this tree line, okay?
Alright.
Alright guys, today I've got another exciting battle reenactment video from the Lauer Farms 1944 event earlier this year. In this scenario, a patrol of GIs and vehicles comes across a group of German troops dug in somewhere in the field, leading to a pretty intense engagement. During the battle, there was actually an incident where a reenactor got injured, and from what I heard, he twisted his leg and badly messed up his knee. The battle had to be paused briefly so they could take care of him, but thankfully he was okay and we were able to resume after just a few minutes. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel and help us reach 100,000 subscribers. Alright, thanks guys, enjoy.
You want to move up? All right.
We're gonna move up this tree line, cover the reinforcements. All right, let's go. German mortar. That guy got hit by it.
Did he get hit by it?
Yeah. Yeah, it like bounced right on.
Over there on the left? Oh! That almost took him out. Once these guys move up, let's take their spot.
We should stay here. First one will move up past us and we'll leapfrog up. Alright?
Okay. They want to sit there. What's the word? Oh, it's gonna nail him.
First squad moving.
We should get in this fight. What are they waiting for? What are they waiting for? Let's get out there. Copy that.
Move on. Sounds good. All right.
Ready? Somebody hit? Come on, get in here. Come on, come on. Give me some covering fire. Watch out. Let's go, let's go. Kick. Make way, watch your eyes, watch your eyes. Medic! Medic! Hand me my rifle. You slipped? I'm gonna go find a Semitic. Medic! This foxhole over here, we got 2 down. Right in here, we got 2 of them.
It's just my arm. You're still fine, Mac, all right?
Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Yeah, it is. What did he do? Try getting up. Something like that. You know what happened? No, he was going to get up. We have a knife? I got a knife. Alright, all we got to
What happened?
Knee injury.
All right. Kommen Sie her! Kommen Sie her! Schnell! Schnell! All right, ready? I'm going. Come on, come on! Let's go! Oh yeah. Oh crap.
Hold this position! This is where we die.
No better place to die, Phyllis.
You want to follow them into that next one? Because I think this is like rapid. The Germans are pushing up all the way here. This might be a good way to die.
Die valiantly. Move up to the next hole and go down.
We can either die, or we can take this opportunity to surrender as a group.
They want all run and get mowed down by a machine gun.
And then I'll get wounded and make a dramatic scene.
He's crawling wounded. That guy's still alive.
Don't risk it, Doc. Don't risk it.
Lay down.
We gotta go. Let's go.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Fall back! Fall back! Ah! 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 Smart shit! Ah! 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 Give me my rifle.
Does anyone have something white?
What?
Get on your weapon.
I think some of us should try to run. You want to run? You okay? I'm gonna run. Oh, fix me up, dog. All right, run. I'm good, run.
I can't.
Look, they're coming. Try to get yourself out of here.
I'm staying.
Okay. That guy over there is wounded. Go take care of him. I'll be fine.
Keep pressure on it.
I got it. Go take care of him. He's hit. Nicht schießen.
Sanitäter!
I'm not gonna do anything. Just open your mouth.
That's all right.
Fanny?
Here, help me over there. You can kind of take me prisoner. Take me over to those medics.
Medics, which one? Can I see what? Oh, I got you.
Oh, God. Oh, it hurts, dog.
Use the tourniquet, mine are too small.
Oh, gosh, it hurts.
Are you going to the aid station?
Huh?
Are you going to the aid station?
Sure.
Okay. In a second, I'll bring you there.
All right.
Put this in.
Is it your tourniquet? Because I got one.
Mine's small. Use it for him?
Yeah, I know.
Out. Eins weniger. Eins weniger. We got you. All right, let's go to the aid station. Wait. All right, let's go.
Look at his feet, look at his head.
Ugh.